Do you also love pickles but don't want anything complicated? This instant mango tukka is going to change your life. No soaking, no waiting for days. Just one pan, simple ingredients, and you'll get a spicy, tangy, slightly sweet tukka that tastes even better than store bought ones. And the best part, you actually get to see the entire transformation from the mango releasing its natural moisture to the oil separating beautifully to that final rich halwa like consistency. Trust me, once you make this, you will want to eat it with everything. Before we start, you can check the description box below for the full list of ingredients and exact measurements. Let's get started with the recipe. We'll start with the masala powder. In a heavy bottomed pan or a tadka pan, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon fenugreek seeds and dry roast them on medium flame. Now watch closely, the mustard seeds will start popping and the fenugreek seeds will turn deep brown. That's when they are perfectly roasted. Now turn off the flame and let this cool completely. We'll grind this in a bit later. Now let's make the tokka. In a heavy bottomed pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. I'm using sunflower oil today. Once warm, reduce the flame slightly and add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon asafoetida and let the mustard seeds splutter. Halfway through this, add half handful of curry leaf and let them turn nice and crispy. To this, add 500 grams of raw mango cut into large pieces. I've cut this into large dice shape. Toss it well in the oil so every piece gets nicely coated and add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it thoroughly. Spread the mango pieces evenly, cover and cook on medium flame for 1 minute. After 1 minute, open and now watch this closely. As the salt mixes in, you'll slowly see water forming at the bottom. That's the mango releasing its natural moisture, and this helps it cook perfectly without adding any water to your tokka. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix gently. Spread it wide, close again and cook on low to medium flame for about 5 minutes while stirring it occasionally. Let's cook for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let us grind the mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds we roasted earlier. I'm using a mortar and pestle. You can also use a small mixer jar. As you grind this, you can already notice how aromatic this powder is. This aroma is exactly what the perfect store-bought mango tokka tastes like. Now it's almost 5 minutes. Let's open and add in the masala and the spice powders. And here you can see the oil starting to separate from the mango, and that beautiful glossy shine is exactly what we want. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon red chili powder and mix it well, followed by the freshly ground mustard and fenugreek masala powder. Mix everything thoroughly and scrape the sides. You can use a spatula to scrape the sides. Once you mix it all thoroughly, add in 35 grams of jaggery or brown sugar, which is roughly about 2 tablespoons. If the pieces are large, you can break them or just push them to the sides of the pan so they melt and caramelize slowly. As it melts, mix everything together and watch how beautifully the texture transforms. And now look at this. The oil has separated beautifully, the tokka has thickened perfectly, and it comes together into this rich, glossy halwa like consistency. This is exactly the stage we were waiting for. Now let it cool down completely. Once cooled, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It stays fresh for up to 1 month in the refrigerator. You can enjoy this mango tokka with curd rice, idli, dosa, or chapati. Or honestly, just have it as it is. It's that addictive. This is one of the simplest yet most satisfying recipes you can make during mango season. Quick, flavorful, and so comforting. Do try this and let me know how it turns out for you. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more simple homemade recipes. See you in the next video.